Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawwar from Pakistan. Today I will tell you the history of YouTube. One of the world's largest video sharing platforms, has had a fascinating history since its founding in February 2005. Here's an overview of its key milestones and developments. Founding, 2005, YouTube was created by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim. They developed the website with the goal of allowing users to share and upload videos easily. Early years, 2005-2006, YouTube quickly gained popularity, attracting users who shared a wide range of videos, from personal vlogs to amateur content and professional productions. In November 2005, venture capital firm Sequoia Capital invested $3.5 million in the company. Google acquisition, 2006. Recognizing YouTube's potential, Google acquired the platform for $1.65 billion in stock in October 2006. This acquisition helped YouTube to enhance its infrastructure, expand its user base, and improve its overall services. Expansion and global reach, 2007 to 2010, YouTube continued to grow rapidly, expanding its international presence and introducing localized versions in various countries. It also added new features like the Partner Program, which allowed content creators to monetize their videos through advertising. Content partnerships and professionalization, 2010 to 2012, YouTube forged partnerships with major media companies and established channels, enabling the platform to host a broader range of professional content. It also introduced live streaming capabilities and launched YouTube for Schools, catering to educational institutions. Mobile revolution, 2012 to 2014, with the proliferation of smartphones and the rise of mobile video consumption, YouTube focused on optimizing its platform for mobile devices and launched a mobile app. It also introduced features like offline viewing and YouTube Kids, a child-friendly version of the app. Original content and YouTube Red, 2015 to 2018, YouTube Originals, a programming initiative featuring exclusive content created by well-known YouTubers and celebrities, was introduced in 2015. In 2018, YouTube rebranded its premium service as YouTube Premium, formerly YouTube Red, offering ad-free viewing, offline access, and access to YouTube Music. Monetization and creator support, 2017 to 2019, YouTube faced challenges related to content moderation and ad placement, leading to the implementation of stricter policies. It also improved its monetization options for creators, such as expanding the YouTube Partner Program and introducing Super Chat, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. YouTube Music and Premium expansion, 2018 to 2020, YouTube expanded its music streaming services with the launch of YouTube Music, offering both free and subscription-based tiers. It also expanded YouTube Premium to new countries, allowing users to access ad-free content and exclusive features. Recent developments, 2020 to 2023, YouTube has continued to innovate and evolve. It introduced Shorts, a short-form video feature similar to TikTok, and expanded its efforts to combat misinformation and harmful content. YouTube also enhanced its live streaming capabilities and introduced new monetization options like Super Thanks and YouTube Shorts Fund to support creators. Throughout its history, YouTube has played a significant role in shaping online video consumption, fostering a vibrant creator community, and becoming an essential platform for entertainment, education, and communication worldwide. Was this video nice? Yes. So, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll meet in another video. Thanks for watching. Gulzar Munawwar.